Today we're checking out the T60 Spotlight by JZ Drones for the DJI Matrice series. Whether you're into night photography, search and rescue, or simply enhancing your drone's capabilities, the T60 is built to fit your needs. At around $1,400, the T60 isn't just any spotlight. It's one of the brightest on the market, offering unparalleled illumination. Packaged neatly in a durable hard case along with written instructions, this ensures both safety and clarity right from the get-go. But there's more to it than what's on the paper. Stay tuned as I go through the T60 activation process, adjusting its settings and demonstrating its sheer power and versatility in action. Let's start by getting your T60 Spotlight up and running. The first step is to activate your device on the official JZ Drones website. Here's how. Open your web browser and navigate to jzdrones.com. Once there, click on the Support tab. Look for Device Activation in the Support section and click on it. This is where you'll begin the activation process. Now grab your T60 Spotlight and flip it over. You'll see the serial number QR code printed on the bottom. Enter the serial number and the provided verification code into the respective fields on the page. After you've entered the verification code, click on Activate. You should receive the activation code shortly after. You'll need it later. Remember, these steps are crucial for ensuring your T60 Spotlight is activated properly. If you encounter any issues during activation, JZ customer support is only a few clicks away. Now that you have your activation code, move your attention to the drone and the remote. Follow these steps closely to ensure a seamless setup. Start by turning on both your drone and its remote control. Next, carefully attach the Spotlight to your drone. Make sure it's securely connected to avoid any mishaps during flight. Once on your remote, enter the camera view mode. Now look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. This is the advanced settings. In this tab, navigate to the payload settings. This is where you'll input the activation code you received earlier. Look for the text input box in the payload settings. Enter the activation code. Once entered, hit send. The Spotlight is now activated. After activation, switch back to camera view. The T60 is now ready for operation. In camera view, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the settings for the Spotlight. In this menu, you'll find all available customizations for the T60. Before flight, ensure that all settings are double-checked and your Spotlight is connected and securely attached. For more tips, tricks, and drone news, don't forget to visit our website and subscribe to our channel.